Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove suggested on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open Messenger. And once you click on search, you can see different suggested people here like this. So let's suppose I want to remove this person from suggested. So you simply need to go back, click on three lines on the top left. Here you need to click on the gear icon, scroll down, and here you can see privacy. Click on that. Here you need to click on restricted accounts. Click on this person and the plus icon in the top right. And here you can select this person, and here you can see that this person is added into restricted accounts. And now let me show you. Click on the search icon and now you can see that this person is removed from my suggested list. So this is the only method possible by which you can remove people from suggested. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.